Hello and welcome student. Today we will learn a lesson from English Standard 6, the story of Gautam Quest. In this lesson we'll learn about the Gautam Buddha, why he left his wife and son and went out in forest for quest, means to search. So let's proceed to our lesson. But before that, let's see the introduction part of Gautam Buddha. So let's see about Gautam Buddha. Who was Gautam Buddha? Yes, his full name was Siddhartha. Gautam was born just outside the city in Lumini. His father was ruled named Sudhodana and his mother was named Maya. Maya died means his mother when Siddhartha was about 7 days old. His father controlled him in a very peaceful and nice way. There were home tutor for him as he was not interested in the outward things that took place at that time. Siddhartha lived in luxury. His father kept trouble and hard work from him. A seer predicted means a sage says that if Siddhartha stayed inside his palace his whole life, then he would become a great king. However, if he left the palace, then he would become a great religious leader. The king, means his father, did not want his son to become a religious leader. He kept Siddhartha in the palace for his entire childhood, means whole childhood. When Siddhartha turned 16 years old, his father found a woman for him to marry. He married a woman named Yashodhara and they had a son named Rahul. Although Siddhartha had everything he could want, he was still not happy. He wanted to learn about life outside his palace. Legend says that he got out of the castle against his father's order. He saw the four great sights: an old man, a sick man, a dead man, and a holy man with no home. Siddhartha left his family, his land, and everything else at the age of 29. Means after seeing the outside things. He left everything to be mendicant, means a wandering ascent. Eventually, he became a religious leader for the people. The Bodhi tree or Bodhi fig tree. Let's see about this tree. This tree is also known as a tree of awakening, also called the Bo tree, was a large and ancient sacred fig tree located in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, in India. Siddhartha Gautam, the spiritual teacher who became known as the Buddha, is said to have attained enlightenment or Bodhi Kriya 500 BCE under it. In religious iconography, the Bodhi tree is recognizable by its heart-shaped leaves, which are usually prominently displayed. Means this tree leaves were like a heart shape. So it says that it's a Gautam Buddha heart. The proper term Bodhi tree is also applied to exciting scared fig trees, also known as Bodhi trees. The foremost example of an exciting tree is the Mahabodhi tree, growing at the Mahabodhi temple in Bodh Gaya, which is often cited as a direct descendant of the original tree. This tree, planted around 250 BCE, is a frequent destination for pilgrimage, being the most important of the four main Buddhist pilgrimage sites. 4.2 The story of Gautam's quest. Gautam the Buddha was born over 2500 years ago as Prince Siddhartha. He was the son of King Raja Sudhodana. He was born on the sacred day of Vaishak Purnima at Lumbini, situated near the city of Kapilavastu. 7 days after his birth, his mother Maya Devi passed away. It was prophesied at his birth that the infant would grow to be either a great Chakravati, means an emperor, or a sannyasi, means renunciate, who would bring comfort to thousands of lost souls, meaning sacred, connected with God, or a god, or dedicated to a religious purpose and so deserving veneration. Persophiate means, here it means say that a specified things will happen in the future. Renunciate means a person who formally rejects or gives up something, especially a religious person who has renounced a secular way of life. Explanation of this para. Gautam the Buddha was born over 2500 years ago as a Prince Siddhartha. He was a son of Raja Sudhodana. He was born at Lumbini near the city of Kapilavastu. His mother passed away after 7 days of his birth. It was said from the sage that this infant will grow to be either a great Chakravati means a good emperor, or a sannyasi who will live for the people. The king was determined to prevent his beloved son from renouncing the world. He surrounded the prince with every imaginable luxury and comfort. It is said that the king had 3 magnificent palaces, one for each season of the year, and in the beautiful atmosphere of these royal mansions, Prince Siddharth lived his secluded, protected life. Meaning, renouncing means formally declare one's abandonment of a claim, right, or possession. Luxury, a state of great comfort or elegance, especially where involving great expense. Magnificent, extremely beautiful, elaborate, or impressive. Mansions, a large, impressive house. Secluded, here it means a place not seen or visited by many people, sheltered and private. Explanation of this para. The king means Gautam Buddha father surrounded the prince with every imagined luxury and comfort. He also divided the palace into 3 seasons the year. So Prince Siddharth lived his secluded, protected life. Means in his palace it was divided into 3 seasons such as summer, rainy and winter. Means from this he can take the pleasure of every season. In good time, the prince was married to one of the most beautiful girl of the realm, Princess Yashodhara, the daughter of the Kulya king. Soon a son Rahul was born to them. At the age of 29, Siddharth went out to see his kingdom and to meet his subject, means people. He beheld what the Buddhist books call the four sign witness to the impermanence of the world. You can see the four sign of in your image. He saw an old man, a diseased man, and a dead man, and a monk. And there entered into his heart a vision of Dukh, the world sorrow. What is the way out of the world sorrow? He asked himself repeatedly. The unanswerable question led him to renounce worldly life, leave his wife and son, and set out in quest for the truth of life. New words: beheld, see or observe someone or something, especially of remarkable or impressive nature. Impermanence, the state or fact of lasting for only a limited period of time. Monk, a member of a religious community of men, typically living under vow of poverty, chastity, and obedience. Quest, a long or arduous search for something. Explanation of this para. In good time, the prince was married to one of the most beautiful girl of the realm. Her name was Princess Yashodhara, the daughter of Kulyan king. Soon a son Rahul was born to them. At the age of 29, Siddharth went out to see his kingdom, means to see the people in his kingdom. He beheld what the Buddhist books call the four sign witness to impermanence of the world. So the unanswerable question led him to renounce the worldly life, leave his wife and son, and set out to quest of the truth of life. Mean he leave his wife and son and set out in search of quest, means to find out the answer of the four sign. The story of Gautam's quest that end in illumination and attainment of nirvana. is one of the most moving tales of our time. For 6 years did Gautam practice intense asceticism for several days in succession. He ate barley, a grain of rice. His strong athletic body was reduced to a bag of bones, but it served no purpose. New words: illumination, lighting or light. Nirvana means, here it means a state in which there is neither suffering, desire, nor sense of self. Practice here: perform an activity or exercise a skill repeatedly. Intense: of extreme force, degree, or strength. Asceticism: serve self discipline and avoiding of all form of indulgence, typically for religious reason. Successions: a number of people or thing of a similar kind following one after the other. Bali: only, just, almost not. Athletes: physically strong, fit, and active. Explanation: for 6 years, Gautam practice means Gautam Buddha practice of nirvana, and these all things we learn in the moving tales of our time. He practiced for several days, means he was not eating much, only few grains of rice, and because of that his strong fit body was reduced into a bag of bones. You can see the image of Gautam Buddha, the image of bag of bone, and the real image of Gautam Buddha on the screen. So, after doing means after praising the God, means without food he was practicing his asceticism, and because of this his whole body was reduced into bag of bones, means on his body only we can see the bones. The Buddha then secreted a handful of grass on the ground beneath the Bodhi tree and formed a seat for himself. I care not if my skin and nerves and bones decay, he thought. I care not if my life blood dries. I shall not give up until I attain to enlightenment. What divine willpower in these words, and what may not a man achieve if he would wake up his willpower? It is said that he was a vision which contained a message for him. It acted as a spiritual stimulant to him. New word: secreted, occurring or found at intervals of various location rather than all together. Decay means organic matter rot or decompose through the action of bacteria and fungi. Enlightenment here means the action or state of attending or having attained spiritual knowledge. Divine: devoted to God, scared. Spiritual: relating to or affecting the human spirit. Stimulant means something that increase activity, interest or interest. Explanation: the Buddha secreted a handful of grass or the ground beneath the Bodhi tree and formed a seat for himself. and shall not give up until he means I attain to enlightenment. Means because of the bag of bone he was not able to sit properly because all the bone was poking to him. So from the ground he removes a handful of grass and make a seat and try to sit on that grass. And was may not man achieve if he would wake up his willpower? It is said that he saw a vision which contained a message for him. And the story also says us that when he was sitting for a enlightenment, he got a message as a vision. It acted as a spiritual stimulant to him. You can see the image how the star is twinkling. So it means that he got a message from it when he was sitting under the Bodhi tree for enlightenment. The words were tune the sitar, neither low nor high. The string overstretch, break and the music dies. The string over slack is dumb and the music dies. He thought to himself, I too have tortured my body to starvation. I have taken to extremes. Let me follow the middle path. New words torture cause great mental suffering or anxiety too. Starvation, suffering, or death caused by lack of food. Extremes, either of two abstract things that are as different from each other as possible. Explanation. The words were tune the sitar neither low or high means the string over sled is dumb and the music dry means if the sitar break his string means his music die. He thought to himself, I too have tortured my body to starvation. I have taken to extreme. So let's me follow the middle path. Means from the above example of sitar and the tune, he understood that this torturing our body is not the correct way to learn or to get the message from the God. When he tried to get up to take a bath in the river, he found that he had become so weak that he could not rise. Just then, a beautiful girl named Sujata appeared before him carrying a golden bowl filled with sweetened milk and rice. New word sweeten make or become sweet or sweeter, especially in taste. So he was very tired. Means after getting learning a message from sitar and the tune, he was tired to take bath in the river, and he saw himself that he was so weak. And meantime, a beautiful girl named Sujata appeared before him carrying a bowl filled with sweetened milk and rice. Means she brought a milk and a rice for Siddharth, means for Gautam to eat. When she saw the weakened athlete, she offered the bowl at his feet. Lord, please accept my offering of milk and rice. Buddha accepted his offering. This was his first meal after many days of starvation. It refreshed him and infused a new strength in him. He realized that Making the body suffer was not the way to enlightenment and truth. New words ascetic, characterized by severe self discipline and abstention from all form of indulgence, typically for religious reason. Starvation, suffering, or death caused by lack of food. Infers means fill or private. Means explanation here the girl said, Lord, please accept my offering of milk and rice. Buddha accepted his offering. This was his first meal after many days of starvation. After eating the food means milk and rice, he became strong. He realized his mistake that the body suffering means giving. He learned that the body was suffer due to the starvation. So it was not the way to enlightenment and the truth. Gautam had longed for enlightenment. That night he found the answer to his query. What is the cause of sorrow? The cause of sorrow is desire. The cure for sorrow is to give up and all desires and adopt right living. Born under a tree, the Buddha received illumination also under a tree. To this day, we venerate this tree as the Bodhi tree. New words, query, a question, especially one expressing doubt or requesting information. Desire, a strong feeling of wanting to have something or wishing for something to happen. Illumination, lighting or light. Venerate, regard with great respect. Reverse. Explanation. That night he, Miss Gautam, found the answer to his query when he was sitting under the Bodhi tree. The Buddha received illumination also under a Bodhi tree, means learn the message under the Bodhi tree. From this day, we call this tree as a Bodhi tree. Means Gautam Buddha learned a message, means got his answer when he was sitting under the Bodhi tree. That the cure means the cure for sorrow is to give up. Means the person desire never end. And if we want to end up our desire, we should give up all the desire and adopt the right way of living. Evaluation of our lesson, the story of Gautam quest. Complete the following sentence. Gautam the Buddha was born over 2500 years ago as dash. Answer, Prince Siddharth. B. The king was determined to prevent his beloved son from dash. Answer, renouncing the world. C. For 6 years did Gautam practice dash, intense asceticism. D. He realized that making the body suffer was not dash. Answer, the way to enlightenment and truth. E. To this day we venerate this tree as dash. Answer, Bodhi tree. 2. Answer in one or two sentences. A. When and where was Gautam Buddha born? Answer, Gautam Buddha was born over 2500 years ago on the sacred day of Vaishak Purnima at Lumbini, situated near the city of Kapilavastu. B. Who was the prince married to? What was the name of his son? Answer. The prince was married to one of the most beautiful girl of the realm, Princess Yashodhara, the daughter of Kalyan king. Their son name was Rahul. C. Why do we venerate the Bodhi tree? Answer is born under a tree as Buddha received illumination under a tree, and so to this day we venerate this tree as the Bodhi tree. Third, complete the web diagram with qualities initial to succeed in what we have set out to achieve. Answer is quality initial for success means we should have willpower, determination, commitment, dedication, devotion, hard work, perseverance. Third, grammar question. He saw an old man, a diseased man, a dead man, and a monk. Pick out the describing words. Answer is old man, diseased man, and a dead man. So these are the describing word means old, disease, and dead. B. The cause of sorrow is desire. Separate the subject and predicate. So here the cause of sorrow is subject, is desire, predicate. C. When she was the weakened ascetic, she offered the bowl at his feet. Pick out the preposition. So here at is a preposition. D. He was born on the scat day of Vaishak Purnima at Lumbini, situated near the city of Kapila Vastu. State the word class of underlined words means whatever the word is underlined supposed to say the class. So the class is noun. Thank you, student.